Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Classic Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us because there was no water coming out through the group head at all. And that was because the three-way solenoid valve was completely clogged. You can see some scale build-up around here on the three-way solenoid valve. Focus camera. Let me see if I can focus. There you go. You see that outer line on the gasket? Yeah, that's a scale build-up. You can kind of see it as well in here in the water tank. So yeah, that was basically partially what made the solenoid malfunction. Also, this machine is around 5 years old, so just general use as well as the scale build-up will lead to that. So as you can see, we're having water coming out through the steam one with no problems. Working great. Focus camera. Got the water through here, and as well we got water now coming out through the group head since the three-way solenoid valve is not working properly. And yeah, that's all we did to this espresso machine. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this day, and thanks for watching.